Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you a must-have for all C8 Corvettes because GM's new mid-engine is missing this. Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today I'm going to give you guys an installation yet again, and we're going to do it with the two Marks. Mark is on his way over here, and then we'll probably go over to Mark's house right up the street, bring some ramps and do the install there. But I'm going to be doing an install for you guys on a C8, not my C8, because my C8 happens to have already on it what I was sent by this company that I'm going to introduce to you right now. Now, real quick, before we jump into the video, if you have not smashed that thumbs up button, please do so, as that really helps support this channel. Also, if you have not joined this wonderful Brink of Speed community, make sure you do so by smashing that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. Help me reach my 50,000 subscriber goal by the end of 2021. All right, guys, let me show you what these are, and then we will get into the video. Rich Ratner with VettePartsOnline.com. So there's the company. They sent me some radiator protectors, and as you guys know, if you've been with me on the channel a long time, you know that I installed those when they were doing my wrap. I installed them on the back side of the front grille fins, and these actually go on the front of the grille fins. So instead of wasting them, putting them on my car, since I already have them, I'm going to give them to Mark T with the orange, the Sebring Orange C8 Corvette. So these are the parts. Kind of stuck. As you can see, this goes in the big section. Those go right there, but as you can see, I already have screens behind this section here. And then this one goes obviously right there in that section. So again, as you can see, I already have the protection on my car, but we're gonna help Mark protect his C8. And yeah, if you guys want these for your own C8, everything will be linked in the description down below, and contact Rich and he'll hook you guys up. All right, Mark just rolled up to Mark's house.
Hey man, how's it going?
What's up, man? I absolutely love his beautiful Sebring Orange C8 Corvette. What's up, Mark?
Hey Mike.
Good to see you, brother.
Hey, thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Here we go again.
Here we go again.
All right.
He's got it down pat.
That's right.
Cool, so we're gonna position everything like we need it, and I'm gonna show him what we're putting on his car.
Whoa.
So that goes in front instead of behind.
Oh,
Back.
cool.
Yeah, so we don't have to remove anything or anything, just put it on the front.
Roger that.
Yeah, man.
Oh man,
and
that's
then
awesome.
and then there's a piece for the top part too.
Oh really? Like
Yeah.
for the little one?
Yep.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yep. So see all of those rock marks that are on his radiator? We're gonna stop those from happening today with the pieces that I showed you. He does have a little bit of like screen door screen in there to stop them, and it's done a decent job, but this is really gonna stop them. So this is really cool. It comes with the zip ties. Look at that, VettePartsOnline.com, and then even some alcohol swabs to prep the surface. And those are the two pieces right there.
So we're just cleaning the surfaces there for the top piece. Mike, is it normal? I mean, I've seen people put stuff on the bottom, but I've not seen a piece for the top. Is that pretty standard?
It is with this company.
All right, I was going to say.
I've never seen another company do that, but
I've seen just the companies have these bottom, but it's pretty neat that this
Yeah, it's
company
really
has
cool.
the one for the top. too.
yeah. All right, guys, this is for the top part here. So this is going to fit in like so. Like that. And then to actually make it stay, we have to take these 3M pieces off on the bottom. So we'll take them all the way off on the bottom and we'll kind of tilt it and get it in, and then we'll peel these back so that there's a tab on either side that I can grab with some pliers and pull back. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, this thing is ready to go.
Just tilt it in, right? You put the bottom in first.
Oh yeah. Yep, and it's in.
Tilt it in.
Push that on there good. All right, it's on. Now we just gotta remove the tabs on the top. Push that in. Tab better not be stubborn. There we go. Easy peasy. Push that in and push up on it.
Yeah, look at that. Very nice seal.
There you go.
Look at that.
Okay, so the first thing we have to do here, ladies and gentlemen, is get it kind of lined up with the tape still in place.
Mike, it's almost like you're practicing placing it in with the tape on. Without, before you peel it, almost you can
That's what I'm
practice.
doing.
Practice how you're going to put it in, and then when you have the actual tape off, you'll kind of have a little practice at it.
We finally got this one all set up. As you can see, I've got the tabs pulled here and here too. And then we use some extra VHB on the bottom here, because this one isn't touching down here like it should. We didn't need it on this one, just on this one. So this one's double VHB. This is tedious work, I have to say.
You
It is
don't
not
have a lot of room to maneuver.
easy.
Once you get it in, you gotta go with it.
Yeah, I think that's the right placement.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take this tab off and take this tab off. So that's permanent, and then top is permanent. Sides need to be pulled.
There you go.
All right.
All right, good, Mike.
So those, thank you.
That, I mean, that was really good.
That's all on. So Mark figured out a way to put his hand right in through that hole, and then that allows him to pull up on that so that he can get this to stick better. So show us how it's done, Mark.
I have the skinniest hand. You see my
Got it.
hand in there?
Yeah. Now I can press down on that. And that's good. It's sticking.
And 3M technically wants you to do it for 30 seconds, kind of like any command strip. It's kind of like they got that technology. So if you keep it pressed for 30 seconds, it should be a pretty good seal.
Contact and
Yeah.
seal. Yeah.
I mean, it's meant to have a little bit of give. It's not supposed
Okay.
to be. So I think that's
So now
good.
we just need to press up on this, which you just grab here and do.
Almost the thing that was missing.
Yeah, it was too. You know.
So we all want to know why GM didn't do that from the very start at the factory.
Yeah.
To protect those radiators. They do the same thing with the ZR1 though. The ZR1 has that gigantic grill, and they don't
Yeah.
protect those radiators either. But They really should do that. It's an inexpensive way to protect them, and they look really, really good. Thank you to Mark I for all of your help and your garage.
Yeah. And the 3M. And the 3M.
I had extra VHB for you.
VHB, that's right.
Yep.
And
Mark T.
has a new look for his beautiful Sebring Orange C8. Looks awesome.
Thanks to Brink of Speed.
All right, so check this out, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mark's car with the screens. And this is my car with the screens behind the grill. Very good protection, just a different look. I just wanted you guys to see the difference between the two. Okay, so Vette Parts Online from Rich did an awesome thing by contacting me and asking me if I wanted to do a review for them. I definitely wanted to. I made it known to him right away though that I already had screens on the front of my car, so I didn't need them, but he wanted to send them to me anyway just so that I could do it on another C8, or I could just add to my C8 the front screens instead of having just the back screens. But I wanted to give back and give them to somebody who could use them actually, and they would not go to waste. They pretty much go to waste on my car. So wanted to hook Mark up with them.
And I appreciate that. Thank you very much, man.
Absolutely, man. No problem at all.
Makes a big difference too. I love the way that it looks. I love
you
the way
guys
that
can
it
see
looks.
in the background, it really changes the front end. It really makes it look nice. And now you have no worries about rocks hitting your radiator.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you.
Yeah, man. So that's
Brink of Speed. Come on, man.
So again, check out YMV.
Yep.
Check his channel out. Go give him a subscribe. He's just building a new channel, so help him build it. And we'll do more videos with him and help him get that channel built. But if you guys enjoyed this, please give us a big thumbs up. Also give Mark I a thumbs up. He had to run inside and do something. But if you have not joined the wonderful Brink of Speed community, make sure you smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. And you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys out on the road.